All right, imagine this for a moment. A technology that can write music, paint art, trade stocks, drive cars, diagnose diseases, predict the weather, and even hold conversations like a human. It learns faster than any human alive. It never sleeps. It never gets tired, and it's improving every single second. That technology is artificial intelligence, or AI. And today we're diving into exactly why AI is the most powerful technology on Earth and why it's reshaping everything we know about the world, money, and even human potential. Let's start with the basics. AI stands for artificial intelligence, but what it really means is simple. Machines that can think, learn, and make decisions. In the past, we used computers as tools. They only did what we told them to do. We gave them instructions and they followed. But AI flipped that idea upside down. Instead of us telling computers what to do, we teach them how to learn, and they figure out the rest on their own. That single idea, machines that can learn, has changed the entire world. Think about it. For thousands of years, humans were limited by one thing, our brain power. No matter how smart someone was, there was only so much information a person could remember or process. But AI doesn't have that limit. It can analyze billions of data points in seconds. It can read, see, and understand patterns that humans would never even notice. AI doesn't just think fast, it thinks deep. And that's why it's already transforming every industry on the planet. Let's start with healthcare. AI can now detect cancers, heart diseases, and brain disorders years before symptoms appear. It studies millions of medical images and learns what early warning signs look like, things a human doctor might easily miss. And in hospitals, AI-powered robots assist in surgeries with microscopic precision, safer, faster, and more accurate than ever before. That's not science fiction. That's happening right now. Next, finance. The stock market runs on AI. Trading algorithms powered by machine learning make millions of calculations per second. They scan news headlines, economic reports, and even tweets and make decisions faster than any human trader ever could. Banks use AI to detect fraud, approve loans, and predict market crashes before they happen. Even your credit score, your insurance rates, and your investment portfolios are now shaped by artificial intelligence. Then there is transportation. Self-driving cars use AI to process real-time data from sensors, cameras, and GPS. They see, react, and adapt to road conditions in milliseconds. Tesla, Waymo, and countless startups are racing toward one goal: cars that drive better than humans. And it's not just cars. AI flies drones, pilots ships, and even helps control air traffic in the skies. In education, AI is becoming the ultimate tutor. It can analyze how each student learns best, whether visually, audibly, or through practice, and then customize lessons for that person. It gives instant feedback, tracks progress, and adjusts difficulty automatically. Imagine a classroom where every student learns at their own pace, perfectly guided by an AI teacher that never loses patience. That's not the future that's already starting today. Even in art, an area once thought impossible for machines, AI is breaking barriers. It can create music, poetry, movies, and paintings that are breathtakingly creative. AI models like ChatGPT, DALL.E, and Midjourney can generate stories, voices, and visuals that rival human creativity. They don't just copy, they create. We used to say creativity was a human-only skill. Now AI is challenging that belief. So why is AI so powerful? Because it is not just a single tool. It is a tool that improves every other tool. It enhances everything it touches. Think about that for a second. The wheel changed transportation. Electricity changed industry. The internet changed communication. But AI changes everything at once. It is the only technology that evolves by itself. It gets smarter every day without human input. The more data it sees, the better it becomes. It's like a brain that never stops growing. AI can write code, which means it can build better versions of itself. It can optimize factories, design new medicines, predict economic trends, and create entire virtual worlds. It can save lives, build wealth, and solve problems humanity has struggled with for centuries. In short, AI is not just powerful, it's exponential. Every discovery it makes accelerates the next one. That's why experts call this the intelligence explosion. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. AI is redefining what it means to be human. For decades, intelligence was our advantage. It is what separated humans from animals and machines. Now, for the first time in history, something non-human might surpass us in intelligence. That's both exciting and terrifying. Exciting because it means progress like we have never seen before. Terrifying because we do not fully understand what happens when something smarter than us starts making decisions. That's why leaders like Elon Musk and Sam Altman say AI could be the best or worst thing ever invented. Let's look at how AI is already reshaping the global economy. Companies that use AI are outpacing competitors by miles. Businesses use AI to predict demand, personalize marketing, automate customer support, and even design products. It's like giving every employee a supercomputer assistant that never rests. In fact, AI isn't replacing people, it's replacing tasks. But those who learn how to use AI will replace those who don't. That's the new reality. If you understand how to work with AI, you have an edge that's almost unfair. AI is also transforming governments and national power. Countries are now in an AI arms race. Whoever leads in AI will lead the future in military, business, and innovation. That's why nations are investing billions in artificial intelligence research, education, and infrastructure. It is not about having the biggest army anymore. It's about having the smartest machines. And yes, AI has its dangers. It can spread misinformation, manipulate social media, or automate jobs faster than people can adapt. If misused, AI can be biased, intrusive, or even dangerous. That's why ethical AI development is so critical to make sure it benefits humanity instead of controlling it. But remember, AI itself isn't evil or good. It's just a mirror reflecting the intentions of whoever controls it. In the right hands, it can solve poverty, disease, and climate change. In the wrong hands, it can create chaos. The real power of AI lies not in what it can do, but in how we choose to use it. AI is also unlocking the next revolution, the fusion of humans and machines. Think about wearable devices that track your health in real time, brain-computer interfaces that let paralyzed people move again, or AI tools that boost creativity, helping writers, artists, and engineers dream bigger than ever before. We're entering a world where AI doesn't replace humans, it augments them. It takes our weaknesses and turns them into strengths. That's why AI isn't just powerful, it's deeply personal. It is changing how we think, work, and live. The most incredible part, we're just getting started. Right now, AI is at the same stage as electricity was in the 1800s. People know it's powerful, but they haven't yet imagined all the ways it will transform the world. In the next decade, AI will become as common as smartphones are today. Every industry, every device, every decision powered by intelligent systems. It will predict health issues before they happen, design buildings that build themselves, translate languages instantly, and connect every human being on the planet in ways we can barely imagine. So why is AI the most powerful technology on Earth? Because it's not just changing how we live. It is changing what is possible. It is the engine behind every modern innovation, the force behind automation, creativity, and discovery, the bridge between science fiction and reality. AI has no limits except the ones we set for it. And those who learn to use it wisely will shape the future. The truth is, AI won't replace humans, but humans with AI will replace humans without it. And that's the greatest shift in power our world has ever seen. So the question isn't, what can AI do? It's what will you do with AI? Because one thing is certain, the AI revolution isn't coming. It's already here. If you found this video powerful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more deep insights into the technologies shaping our future. And remember, the smartest investment you can make right now is not in stocks, not in crypto, but in understanding AI. Because the future belongs to those who learn how to work with intelligence, not against it.